Okay, so I've got the DocSmart brushless chainsaw that I just received from the company to test out. So thank you to them for sending this out to me. So let me show you what it comes with. So it came with 2 of these batteries here, charger as well. There's an extra chain, some tools, a pair of glasses, gloves for safety, an instruction manual. You've got your chainsaw there, and then you've got your telescoping pole right there. So let me show you this chainsaw up close here. It comes with the cover here for safety. The batteries just slides in here. And then you have the safety button right there. And then that, you can turn that on. Includes this, is real nice. So when you're cutting, you can have some leverage there. Includes this guard here. Place for oil right there. So I need to add some oil before I can start using it. But yeah, real nice if you want to hand hold it just like this. So that's really cool. And then the telescoping pole has a strap. So when you have it extended, that'll make it easy to hold. You can adjust it right here, both of these. So it looks like it's kind of spring loaded there. So you can extend it nice and far. And then you can put the chainsaw right up here. So we can attach the chainsaw to the top of the pole right here. There's a lock right there that'll prevent it from coming off. And then this will unlock it right there. And then you can adjust the angle however you like right here. And then after that, slide on the battery. It has a safety button right here. Press it in, and then you can run it.